Guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you how to build a text-to-speech project in Python. So see this video start to end, and please, when you will be skip this video, you have problems in your code. So please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Now, we were building a text-to-speech project in Python. So now let me tell you how to build it. You will first of all, we are using a Visual Code Studio, and you doesn't know what is Visual Code Studio. This is a text, one of the best text editor for our beginners. So now let me tell you how to download it. You will first of all go to the here and search the Visual Studio Code. And when you search it, your first option is coming Visual Studio Code, code editing, redefine it. You will click here. And when you click here, you will be also down here's come like 4 options like Windows, Mac, and Windows x64 or Linux. I already downloaded on Windows because I am on the Windows. You are on Mac, you downloaded Mac. You are on a Linux, you will download on Linux. So now you first of all open your Visual Code Studio. I will be open it. So now I will be click on to the create new window. Then I will be go here. So now how to build the file in Python? How to build the file in Visual Studio, let me tell you. First of all, you go to the where you will be go. Let me tell you. You will be go to the here this file option. Then you will click this new text file. And sorry, not that. You will be click like file, new file. And here you will be name your file. I will giving a name to text to speech.py. So now let me give it. So I will be click onto the create file, and I will be saving my file onto the desktop. Then I will be click to the create file, and when I will be create file, so my file is made it by text-to-speech.py. And now let me tell you what you can do. You will be go here and make a one folder by the name of text-to-speech project. Then you will be drag and drop your file into your folder of text-to-speech project. Then you go to your Visual Code Studio, then erase it. Then again you open your Visual Code Studio, and now I drag and drop your folder into your Visual Code Studio. So your file is coming like that. And now what you can do, first of all, you write here from. So now let's write the code. Like you first of all you write like what you can do. First of all, you will be go to the here. You go here and write here command prompt. And you will be in command prompt. You will be write here pip install gtt. Then you will be enter press, so it will be install it. I have already installed it, so I doesn't have to install it again. So now what I will be do from, I will be write like gts. Then here I will be write like import. Then here I will be write like gtts. And whenever I will be write like that, so what I will be do, here I will be write like import should be os. And now here I will be go, and here I will be write like abc/open, and here I will be in single commas, I will be write here sample.txt. So I will be make another file by the name of sample.txt. txt means notepad, and I will save this file onto the here. Then I will be closing my Visual Code Studio. Then again I will be open my Visual Code Studio, and I will open my new window. Then I will be again drag and drop my folder into my Visual Code Studio. So now I will be do like that. So now it is perfect. So now what I will be do, here I will be write like text should be abc.read, and here I will be write like again text, and what will be the audio will be say. I'll write like here hello guys, comma how are you dot, then here I will write like all fine. Then here I will be write like question mark. Then I will be enter press from here. So now what I will be do, here I will be define like lang. What lang? Then I will be write like slash and in single commas. So what is single commas and what is double commas? We call this double commas and we call this single comma. Okay. And here in single comma we write like en. So here in object, here I will be write like /gtts. So now S in capital. Now here I will be write like text slash text comma lang, and now here I will be write like lang slash lang. So now comma again we write like comma, then here I will be write like slow slash false. So now here I will be space again. So here I will be again when we do like that. So we will be enter press from here easily as. So I will be what in audio folder, what is our folder name? What is our audio file name? So I will be giving like audio file name, like first of all here I will be write like object.save. What type of when it will start to speaking like hello friend, how are you, and the what is folder, what is file name, what you will be giving your file name. I am giving my file name sample.mp3. When I give like, so now I will be define like here os./system, and here I will be write like start sample.mp3. So we will be added start to play the audio file, okay, and into this slow false fix the audio. We will be fixed in typo in the argument, and into this all fine. We remove extra space in the beginning. We will be remove extra spaces at the beginning, okay. And then when I will be do like that, when our work is still here, I will be done my work. So what I will be do, save from here again. I will be go to my sample.txt file, and here I will be write like hello guys, my name is Sonia, comma Sonia not Ryan. I am very beautiful, very talented programmer and graphic designer. Then I will be save from here. Then I will close my file. Your error is coming. So what you can do, you will first of all close your file. Again click on the new window and drag and drop your folder to the here. And when you will do that, so run from here. Click from here to rerun. Here we can go and run it. So it will be running. Just wait a moment. And when it will run, so like it is coming like that, it's running. So what is type of it will give more recent call as. So what? Save. And now here I will go and run and start debugging and Python debugger and file. So now let me see it will come or not. So when we run, so we will click onto the here. When you click it into the here, continue. So let me see you. Just wait a moment, and then here you can go and then run the code. Why it is not coming? Let me see. So it will come. Just wait a moment. So now let me see why it is coming not. Like here I will write like pip install gtts, then enter. And when I will be enter press, so it will come like that. And now here I will be go and erase that and s, then save, then here I will be run it, and now here I will be erase it, then erase it, then I will be open my Video Studio again, then I will be go here, save from here and save it, and then I will be go, then here I will be from run my file. So it will running on my terminal. So when it is run, so like it is coming as C username and start communication, and when it is done and most recent and but it is giving error into the here. Into the here it will giving error like report missing. So what type of error it will giving? Let me tell you. So from GTTS, then import GTTS and into the sample, then again we go new window, then again I will be close it, then I go, then I drag and drop here and then here I will be run it easily as, and now I see it. What type of my error is coming like that? So let me see you. Like it is coming like that, but let me tell you what type of error is coming. So what will you close it, and then again you will go, then you open like that. You open like that, and when you click on the new window, then go, then drag and drop your folder, and now when you drag and drop your folder, so now when you will run from here your file, when you run from your file from here, so now let me show you how it will be run and how your file will be, your all thing will be made it. Let me tell you. So here you can see it. My audio file will open, and now let me see.
Hello guys, how are you? All fine.
And now here you can see it. Is this coming like that? And why it is coming like that? Hello guys, how are you? All fine? Because into the text here I will be write like hello guys, how are you? All fine? And whenever you write like hello guys, anything you write, so it will be speak it. So but we will build it easily as it
Hello
you can
guys,
see.
how are you? All fine.
And our file name is sample, because we can sample. Here you can see we give like sample to our audio file, and our audio file will be made it here. Here you can see this is our audio file.
Hello guys, how are you?
And you download it also. You will download it also. So now here you can see it. We will easily build the text to speech project using Python. So I hope you enjoyed this class. Enjoy. Like this video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python tutorial. So for today, goodbye.